This is the Apple Pencil Pro. This is the model number here, Apple Pencil Pro. The actual model number is A2538. And it's compatible with iPad Pro M4, iPad Air M3, iPad Air M2, iPad Mini A17 Pro. Should be compatible. So let's open the Pencil Pro and see what's... Okay, so that's the pull tab. Oh, nice, like a drawer. Which side is it now? I think it's this side. Nice, like a pencil case. I like that. Okay, so let's see. You get some paperwork. You can magnetically attach it to the iPad. We're gonna try that soon. And you can also change the tip of the Pencil Pro. You can replace the tip if it gets worn out. Safety and handling, warranty summary, and regulatory and compliance information. Okay, so this is the actual Pencil Pro. That's the case. There's nothing else in the case. It's empty. And this is the Apple Pencil Pro now. It has this protective cover. Oh, feels really nice and feels pretty heavy, but not too bad. It feels nice. The tip is rubberized a little bit.